A footage of Ka-52 helicopters crews joined the combat operation to destroy armed forces of Ukraine's stronghold. During the flight, the Army aviation pilots carried out missile launchers against the identified strongholds of armed forces of Ukraine units. The air strikes were carried out from a range of over 5 kilometers. Other things, Russian air defense men have shot down one Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Forces near Dolgenkoe, Kharkov region. Also, 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have shot down near Borovenki, Druzhba in Lugansk People's Republic, Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Braskovka, Bolshe Prohody in Kharkov region, including one Bayraktar TB2 near Valikia Kamizemka. In addition, 2 Torshka-U ballistic missiles and 3 Uragan multiple launch rockets have been intercepted Kharkov of Chernabovka, Kherson region near Delgonkoe, Sinisiko, Kharkov region, and Popasnaya, Lugansk People's Republic.
Попал. Заданием подтверждаю. Молодцы. Отход АСО. Все, уходим. Все, спасибо большое, ребят. С Богом.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.